Alright, we got our pizza just about spread out here. This is just one of those ALDI crusts. Just poke holes all around. Because even if you let this dough rise for 3 or 4 hours, there's still going to be a little bit of action in there. Alright. We're going to go out to the grill and we'll see you in a bit. I did my usual cheese sauce, but we put a little bit of yogurt in there. A little bit of Greek yogurt, so it thins it out a little bit. Got some fresh onions, and we got us this is some donor pork. Donor pork is pork that's been seasoned with all the donor seasonings, which are basically kebab seasonings. A little extra garlic, a little extra stuff in there, you know, salt, pepper. But this is already cooked, so this is going to be my topping meat, onions, and the yogurt cheese sauce. There we go. Alright guys, we par-baked this on both sides for 3 minutes on one side, then just flipped it and did 2 more minutes, flipped it back and did 1 more minute. So we are going to flip that over. Alright, and this is the side we're going to top. Okay, this is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and about a 1/4 cup of pizza sauce. We're just going to mix that up. Okay. Okay. Just spread that out within a 1/2 inch of the edges. And then let it settle a little bit, so it can find its way into the nooks and crannies of the dough. Okay. Alright, we are going to slide this over and we're going to spread this doner kebab meat out. I think I ended up with about 1.25 pounds maybe. Might not use all of it, but we'll see. This is a pretty good sized pizza. I think we're going to get it all on there, guys. Okay, just kind of spread that out. And this is why you want to pre-cook your crust, because if you start putting toppings onto one of these ALDI pizza crusts, it's just going to fall apart. And it's not going to bake all the way in the middle. Now if you have a pizza oven and you're cooking at 550 degrees, you can get away with that. But I'm cooking on the grill and I'm doing a relatively conservative amount of heat. There's no need to rush a pizza. Now if you're in a pizza restaurant, yeah, you're going to rush because you got people waiting on it. Doner kebab will be complete without onions. Woo. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I like to leave them in circles. I think they look nice on the pizza. I'm just going to kick this up a couple more notches, Emerald, with a little bit of blue cheese on there. Just spread a little bit of that out. Give you a tangy bite every now and then. You don't want to cover the pizza with it. It's just a nice little touch. Blue cheese can be the star of the show, but boy, can it overbear your food if you do too much of it. Sometimes your eyes are bigger than your taste buds. Wouldn't be a doner. We didn't go ahead and sprinkle a little more of that doner kebab on there. So I'm just going to put it out in my hand here. Just dust that on there. I'm going to try to kick that crust up a little bit on the edges too. I'm just going to put that doner kebab seasoning on there. I can't tell you what this is going to smell like because you're on the other end of this camera, but when this thing hits the grill, this whole neighborhood is going to freak out. They're all going to start wondering what the hell that smell is. Alright, look at that, guys. Isn't that a beautiful pizza? Now we got our yogurt cheese over here. I'm not putting that on now because it'll get all dried out. I like to go on at the end with this so it stays nice and creamy. Alright? Put a little black pepper on there just for good measure. Make it a little more peppery. Go around that crust, get it on the edges so the crust has a nice flavor to it. Gotta season that crust. What did that crust ever do to you? Oh my God. There we go. Garlic crust, baby. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright guys, here we go. Now I have these 3 burners on and that one is off. Once this has got as far as I want it to go on the bottom, I'll turn these 3 off and turn that one on and close the lid again. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's bubbling. Oh, perfect char on the bottom too. Alright, I turned these 3 off. Now I got this burner on, so I'm going to cook the top just a little more on convection. But the bottom is perfect. Alrighty then. Look at that. Now y'all are wondering, where's all the cheese? We made us a delicious yogurt cheese sauce. Try not to overdo it. Look at that. Look at that. Hey guys. There is the pork doner pizza with yogurt cheese cream sauce. Oh my God, that is good. Wow. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can flip this over long enough to show you the char. Look at the char on that. This is an insane treat. Now, who would have ever thought of doing a pork doner kebab pizza? But me, maybe you. I invite you to try it. If you guys know where I live, come on by. I got some pizza left. I can't eat all this. Look in the description for the recipe for the pork doner kebab. I'll give you the recipe for how to make this cheese sauce. I hope you guys try this one because it is highly recommended. I think I'm going to probably eat too much of this and go into a food coma. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Make you some of that.